Hey everyone, today we're doing a new unboxing. We're going to be unboxing an Oris, as you can see here. And this Oris we're unboxing is the Oris Big Crown Pointer Date. Now let's get this guy out of here. Man, that one's on there tight today. Alright, the gray Oris box. And you got the booklet there on the bottom. I don't show you guys that too much, but it's a booklet with all your information about Oris and stuff. It's okay, it's kind of cool, but we're here to look at the watch, so let's take a look. And you've got the black box here. Open this baby up. And there we go. And here, let's take a look at the watch. Oh wow, that's a cool red face on there. Very striking. So the Oris Big Crown Pointer Date is a really cool watch. It's got this vintage look to it. You can see it kind of there through the plastic, but I'll take it out and you can see it in real life soon. And here we go. Take a look at that face. It's a red face. It feels more like a dark red, like a cranberry color, a very autumny feel to the watch with the color. The Pointer Date is a very cool watch. Oris first made these up 70 years ago, and if you look around the face there, you can see from 1 through 31, and that's actually the day of the month. So that's how they show you the day of the month, that little pointer here with the little red marker. So right now it says the 28th on the watch, just so you get the idea. It's very cool. Very neat heritage, and I just think it looks cool. It looks different than most other watches out there. So the Pointer Date is one of my favorites with Oris. In case you want to know, the reference number for this watch is 01754 7741 4068, and then the strap -075 2064. Now this watch is a 40mm watch, so it's not very big, and it ties into that whole retro feel. You can see it here on my wrist. Now 40mm is about 1.575 inches. Now you could say you might want it bigger, but I think it kind of defeats the purpose of this retro heritage styled watch. I think the size is perfect, and it's nice to have a smaller watch in the arsenal sometimes. My wrist size is about a 7.5-inch wrist, so that gives you a little bit of an idea on how the watch fits. Now this is an automatic watch. Oris only makes automatic watches. Here you can see it with the lume. The power reserve on this guy is 38 hours. Thank you. Have a good one, guys.